Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about inverse functions. So I will show you the technique how to answer all of them in here. So let's go to the first one. F of s equal to 5s to the power of 3 minus 5. So we put negative number 5 on the left. So you got about f of s plus 5 equal to 5s to the power of 3. Next, we divide both sides with number 5. So you got about f of s plus 5 over 5 equal to s to the power of 3. Later that, we put the cubic root in the both sides. So you got about s, and now we can find inverse function. That should be about f of negative number 1 s equal to this one. So we just change f of s into s, and this is the inverse function. Now let's go to the second one. We move negative number 3 on the left. Later that, we divide both sides with number 4. Next, we put the root of number 7. So we got about inverse function. So we change this is number 7. So we just change about s. This is the inverse function. Next, we put the power number 7. So we got about f to the power of 7 of s. So we cancel the root. We move negative number 3 on the left. So you got about positive number 3. Later that, we divide both sides with number 8. And now we can get about inverse function. That's about s to the power of 7 plus 3 everything to the power over number 8. And this is the inverse function. Now let's go to the next one. We do the same technique. We put the power 3. Later that, we move negative number 4 on the left. So you got about positive number 4. And later that, we divide to negative number 6. And we got about inverse function. That should be about s to the power of 3 plus 4 over negative number 6. We do the same technique. We put the power 4 in both sides. We move negative number 9 on the left. Later that we put the root of number 5. And now we can go about inverse function. This one we change to s to the power of 4. And this is the inverse function of this one. And the last one, we move negative number 1 on the left. So you go about positive number 1. So we put the square root in the both sides. Because this is in the positive number, so that's why the square root should be got about positive number. And now we have the inverse function. We change this one into s. That's the end. Thank you for watching.